Don't learn to code. Coding has become so cheap and Indians have conquered the market. That's what was said in 2005. Don't learn to code because low code, no code tools are gonna let everybody code. That's what was said in 2015. Don't learn to code because AI will do everything we need and there will be no need for programmers in the future. This is the rhythm everyone's been rhyming with for the last couple of years. Recently, Zach went on the Joe Rogan's Experience podcast and said this.
I think this year, probably in 2025, we at Meta are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write code.
And he is not the only or the first person to say something like this. Honestly, I think this is just a complete crap. I believe there is never been a better time in history to learn to code. These statements are just for marketing to pump up the stock market. They are saying this stuff for the investors, not for us. Coding isn't just a skill for landing a job or writing colorful text. It's a way of thinking that teaches you how to solve problems, break down complex challenges, and create solutions that improve life for people, for businesses, for society in general. Let's talk about Zach for a second. He has been searching for a new product for his company, jumping from metaverse to launching Twitter rival Thread to Ray-Ban AI glasses, etc. He is looking for a way to save his ship from sinking. A few years ago, Naval also went on Joe Rogan's podcast and said this.
People who are talking about AI automating programming have never really written serious code. Coding is thinking. It's automatic structured thinking. An AI that can program as well or better than humans is an AI that just took over the world. That's endgame. That's the end of the human species.
And I completely agree with Naval here. Like if we got an AI that can truly do everything as we do software engineers, dude, that's it. This is the end of the world. Like we are done, okay? Coding is not a language like Arabic or French that you can just replace with a translator. It's a way of thinking and analyzing to solve problems. Look, don't get me wrong, I'm not one of these guys who bashes AI. I love AI. Please don't kill me. But no, seriously, we are not even close to having an AI that can do repetitive small tasks consistently without messing up somewhere in the process. At best, these AI tools are just productivity boosters right now. The other day I was coding in C and I was trying to validate a file path to read its content. There was a new line character \n at the end of the path and I had no clue. I spent almost half an hour debugging it, thinking like, what the fuck, what's wrong with my code? Then I asked GPT and it pointed out immediately there might be a \n at the end of the path. I wrote it out on the terminal and indeed it had a \n. I removed it, problem solved. Tools like GPT, Claude, and Copilot has fundamentally changed the game. They have supercharged my productivity, but they aren't replacing me. They are amplifying me. With tools like this, a single developer or a small team can build products that used to require an entire department. We are talking about the ability to launch $1 million company with just a handful of people. Just 2 days ago, I saw a video on the Starter Story channel about a guy making $10 million from his apps.
I taught myself to code with ChatGPT, and my apps have made over $10 million to date.
How did this guy make over $10 million with 3 iPhone apps after learning how to code less than 2 years ago? Well, 2 letters: AI.
I can't confirm whether it's true or not, but I know for sure these AI tools are immensely helpful and accelerate building stuff. AI will make it easier and cheaper to create apps, SaaS, or software companies in general. There is a strong probability that more startups will be created, which will generate an even higher demand for engineers. We are heading towards a more digitalization and an increasingly software-driven future. Look, I might be wrong, and in just a couple of years, we might have AGI that makes us absolute. If that happens, we will all be fighting for our lives. No, I'm kidding. But seriously, for anyone wondering if learning to code is still worth it, Absolutely. There is no better time in history to learn this skill. Learning to code isn't just about landing a job. Like if you just want to do your role 9 to 5 and stuff, you are going to be replaced for sure. But it's more than that. It's your gateway to solve meaningful problems that matters to the world. If you truly want to learn this skill, like you wouldn't be intimidated about these statements, AI is gonna replace you and stuff. That's no way coming. I mean, tech predictions are really cool, but if you are in tech, you know already that's just speculations and predictions. They have no meaning. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. People are talking about this and working towards, but till they are here, don't believe anything. That's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep shipping. See ya.